climbed the hill furiously. "Well done, boy," encouraged his driver. "Keep it up." Soon they were near the first station. Duncan was pleased. "Nothing's happened, nothing's happened, silly old diesel. Clever me." And he rocked and rolled along the line. "Steady, boy," checked his driver. But it was too late. "Sleepers and ballast, I'm off." And he was.
Later, Thomas was traveling home on the same line. He was pulling freight cars filled with vegetables. The signalman had forgotten to warn his driver about the crossing. "That's nice. We don't need to stop," said Thomas happily. "Yes, we do," called his driver. But it was too late.
Oh, come on!